Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Jano Lasco here, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And today's video is yet another video of best pickup of the week, and we got two best pickup of the week, and let's go check them out. We got the bundle high. Colorway is blue chill and white. This one looks like Air Jordan 1, and it looks like off-white. And here we go, all around chill blue, the color blue. I really like the color blue on that one with a little bit white on the midsole. And this one of the best I found, it is the tab right here. It's at this front of the tank. Usually they goes at the back like here, but it looks like off-white bundle high. Basically, if you seen one of those off-white shoes, they have some transparent like the Converse. This one, the strap is transparent. Also, somewhere right here is also transparent. And at the back with different color, dotted color with Nike, the extra laces, and laces right here, the silver ones. And the swoosh is also transparent. So I thought when I saw it in the outlet, it's like, is this some kind of off-white shoe? Because usually the off-white shoes have a different kind of design and the silhouette, and this one is like very premium, like suede all over. And we got the CB 3J on this side, but I'm not really sure what that is mean. If you know, just leave a comment down below. And the bottom, Nike bottom right there. So it's really cool, nice color, the blue, chill blue, like my hair, my cap look like my cap. But hey, the price on this one is $79.97. There you go. Pick that up. $79.97 with the additional discount, so it went down to $56. And next up, we also the another best pickup. There you go. We got the Air Max 97, and the price right there, $99.97 with the additional discount, so it's somewhere $70. And the colorway on this one is white, black, and Persian violet. Boom, look at that colorway. Yet simple, and the design, the bubble around, violet accent, inner right there. Also the pull tab, the violet inside the bubbles. There you go. All around 360. Just basically the Air Max 97 with a different colorway. I like the black and white in here with the swoosh lateral and middle side. There you go. It's like not really that popping color, but the design, but the behind the design is really cool on this one. The air bubble, pretty nice colorway, and it is pretty much good deal, which is $99.97 down to $70, and the retail on this one is $160. Check that out, check that out. So if you are wondering, a lot of this shoe are rip off the top box. Basically, if you are also shopping at a Nike store, they will take out the top down and stack it on the clearance wall, or they call it hash wall. And I hope you like this video. We have the best pickup of the week. We got the bundle high, and we got the Air Max 97, the Persian blue. Here we go. And thumbnail. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and part of the channel, which I'll be doing frequently, the best pickup of the week. And that's about it for this video. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for the upcoming video. And by the way, if you are new to the channel, I'm still giving away the LeBron shoe size 9.5 and 10 with socks. So that's about it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.